In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Barbie doll apron. To get started, you will need an A4 piece of paper. At the top, you must put in 9 centimeters to fold. This section will become the top straps of the apron. Next, we fold over again in half. Once your pattern is folded over, you want to put the folded section at the middle of the doll, and the top part of the folded section right up against the neck of the doll. So we've got the neckline. We draw these 2 little lines for the straps. Remember to keep your paper very centered. I'm just marking out the waistline, and I'm writing waistline. Then we're going to do the side, and we're going to trace out the shape that we want for the apron to be, and as well as the length. I'm now just adding thickness to the waist straps. Now I'm just going with a ruler and straightening out those lines so that they're nice and clean for when I cut out the pattern. Make sure to show the fold line and write in the fold line. Once you've cut it out, you can write the name of the pattern on the back. Barbie's disposable pattern. There should be an E at the end of disposable. I then like to use a bit of Tic Tac or press stick, whichever you call it, to stick the pattern down onto a folded piece of plastic. This way it doesn't move around when I'm cutting out the apron. Once you've cut out your pattern, you can open it up, and there we have our little apron. I like to add some drawing designs. I use an acrylic marker. I put the name Barbie because it's Barbie's apron. This is for gardening, so I'm putting a little flower on it. But if you're making this apron for baking, cooking, you can change the design accordingly. You could also make an apron for art. Maybe Barbie is giving an art lesson. To put the apron on, just make sure that it lines up. You use the waist straps and you tie a little knot. And the same for the neck straps. You might have to move the hair away or preferably tie it up so it does not get caught when you're tying the straps. And you can clip away any excess. And there you have it.